Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's continue our discussion on how to solve exponential equation. So this is actually part 2. What if guys, ganito naman yung given natin. 3x squared is equal to 9 raised to 2x minus 1. So dito, kung mapapansin natin, exponent na, may exponent pa. Okay, so mag-solution tayo. 3 raised to x squared is equal to 9 raised to 2x minus 1. So, same procedure pa rin ang gagawin natin. Yung basis natin, gawin nating equal dapat sila. So, just copy 3 raised to x squared is equal to express 9 into exponential form, which is 3 squared. It makes sense to put the parentheses kasi meron pa tayong exponent dito times the quantity of 2x minus 1. And since the bases are equal now, so equate the exponent, or parang i-cancel out natin yan. Bring down x squared, equate natin yung exponent, and then, so pwede nating i-multiply agad, or pwede nating i-copy. So bring down 2 times the quantity of 2x minus 1. Okay, nasundan ba ako guys? So ang gagawin natin dito ay simplify natin to or distribute 2 times 2x, that is equal to 4x. 2 times negative 1, that is equal to negative 2. So dito guys, kung mapapansin natin, we don't have like terms. Instead, meron tayong exponent dito. Yan, x squared. And then si positive 4x, ililipat natin. It will become negative 4x. Ganon din si negative 2, ilipat natin. It will become positive 2. And this is now equal to 0. So, nag-come up tayo sa quadratic equation. Very good. So, dito guys, paano ba natin isi-solve to? With the use of factoring, completing the square, or even quadratic formula para makuha natin yung roots. Okay? So, as we observe, hindi siya mapa-factor out, right? So, instead, let's use quadratic formula. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung quadratic formula natin? This is equal to x is equal to plus minus sorry, ito ay negative b pala muna to. Okay, erase ko to. So x equals negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, all over 2a. Ayan. So this is our quadratic formula. So dito guys, hahanapin natin yung value ng a, b, at c. Okay, ito yung equation natin. Yan. So your a here is 1. Okay? Pag wala kayo nakita ang number dito kay x squared, ibig sabihin ang numerical coefficient nito ay 1. And then b is equal to negative 4. Ito yun. Kasi minus 4 yon. So, take whatever the sign. And then your C, or the constant term, which is positive 2, right? So, your C is positive 2. So, nakuha. Okay. Next, with the use of quadratic formula, sulat ko rito. X equals negative B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC all over 2A. Substitute natin guys, yung B ay negative 4. So, negative to, wag malilito. Yan. And then B is also negative. Plus, minus, square root of B squared becomes negative 4 squared minus 4 times yung A natin dito ay 1 times C, which is positive 2 all over 2 times 1. Okay? And then equals, simplify natin yan, negative times negative is positive 4 plus minus. Simplify natin to, negative 4 squared, that is equal to positive 16 minus 4 times 1 equals 4 times 2 is 8. Right? All over 2 times 1 equals 2. Nasundan ako guys. And then, let's simplify yung sa loob ng radical natin. 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Right? Over 2. Simplify natin yung square root ng 8. Paano ba natin isi-simplify yan? So, think of the factors that one factor is a perfect square, the other is not. Square root of 4 times square root of 2, right? Square root of 4 times square root of 2, that is equal to square root of 8. So, 4 is a perfect square? Of course. 2, no? And then square root of 2. So, kapag sinimplify natin square root of 8, magiging 2 square root of 2 yun. So, ito ay 4 plus minus 2 square root of 2 over 2. So, mas simplify pa natin to guys. So, 4 over 2, that is equal to 2, right? Okay. And then, plus minus 2 over 2 ay is equal to 1. Understood, may 1 ka na dito. And then, square root of 2. Ayan. Okay, so x sub 1. X sub 1 natin ay, unahin natin si positive. So, 2 plus square root of 2. And then, yung x sub 2 natin guys ay yung minus. 2 minus square root of 2. Okay. The next thing to do ay prove natin na tama yung mga sagot natin. So, mag-checking tayo rito. Ayan. Okay, so, paano ba natin i-check to? Substitute natin sa original equation natin. So, 3 raised to x squared is equal to 9 raised to 2x minus 1. So, pinoprove natin na dapat maging equal ito, yung left hand side natin tsaka yung right hand side. So, we simply substitute 2 plus square root of 2 and then 2 minus square root of 2. So, 3 raised to, of course, may parenthesis tayo dyan kasi we have exponent. So, 2 plus square root of 2 squared equals 9 raised to 2 times yung x natin ay, lahat ng variable x gawin yung 2 plus square root of 2. 2 plus square root of 2 minus 1. Okay, so simplify natin to guys. So, paano tayo magsisimplify ng ganito? Okay. Yung FOIL method natin, this is equal to 2 plus square root of 2 squared. Ito ay 2 plus square root of 2 times 2 plus square root of 2. So, 2 times 2 ay is equal to 4. 2 times square root of 2, that is equal to 2 square root of 2. Square root of 2 times 2 ay positive 2 square root of 2. And then square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is equal to positive square root of 4, right? So, since 4 has no similar term, just bring down 2 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2, that is equal to 4 square root of 2. So, hindi nyo po siya pwedeng ipag-add yun na sa inside the radical side natin o yung radicand. And then, square root ng 4 ay positive 2, right? Okay. So, 4 and 2 ay similar yan. So, magiging 6 plus 4 square root of 2. Okay. Nasundan ako guys. So, 3 raised to, ito yun, 6 plus 4 square root of 2. Gets? Okay. And then, ganun din, simplify natin yan. 9 raised to 2 times 2 ay 4. And then 2 times square root of 2, that is equal to plus 2 square root of 2 minus 1. Okay. So, bring down nyo ulit yan. Copy nyo lang. 6 plus 4 square root of 2 equals, okay, 4 minus 1, that is equal to positive 3, right? So, 9 raised to 3 plus 2 square root of 2. So, guys, dito, ang ginagawa natin, dapat ay maging equal sila. Okay, so copy nyo ulit to. 3 raised to 6 plus 4 square root of 2 equals, question mark. So, express natin yung 9 in exponential form. Right? So, 3 squared, ayan, times 3, okay, plus 2 square root of 2. Nasundan ba ako guys? Okay. So, dito, simplify natin yan. Bring down nyo lang to. 3 raised to 6 plus 4 square root of 2. And then, 3 raised to 2 times 3 ay 6. 2 times 2 ay 4. So, plus 4 square root of 2. Okay, so, equal na ba sila? Yes, equal sila. Or, kung gusto nyong i-express to in decimal, pwede naman. Okay, para mapatunayan nyo na equal sila parehas. Okay? So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Thank you for watching.